Introducing the Raftaar 1200mm BLDC fan, built for powerful air delivery, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. In this video, we'll guide you through a complete step-by-step installation process. Carefully open the box and remove all components. Place everything on a clean, flat surface. Avoid placing the motor directly on hard ground. Use the provided packaging support. Let's quickly understand the parts. The motor assembly, this includes the motor and PCB unit. The blades, designed for efficient airflow. The down rod, used to suspend the fan. Top and bottom canopy, for covering the mounting. The shackle kit, for secure sealing attachment and screws for assembly. Safety precautions. Before installation, switch off the main power supply. Ensure proper support like a ladder, and handle all components with care. Step 1: Motor preparation and blade fitment. Start by placing the motor assembly on the flat EPS surface provided in the packaging. This prevents any damage. Now, remove the blade mounting screws from the motor. There are 6 screws in total. Keep them safely aside. Take one blade and align its holes with the motor mounting holes. Once aligned, fix the blade using the screws and tighten firmly. Repeat the same process for all blades. Step 2: Down rod and wire passing. Now take the down rod and hold it vertically. Carefully pass the connection wires through the slit hole in the rod. Step 3: Down rod plus motor assembly. Attach the down rod assembly onto the motor spindle. Lift the bottom canopy upward to create space for installation. Insert the safety screw through the assembly and tighten the nut securely. This step is critical for ensuring the fan stays firmly mounted. Step 4: Wiring connection. Now connect the wires to the PCB terminal connector. Ensure the connections are tight and properly secured. Step 5: Canopy positioning. Once the wiring is complete, lower the bottom canopy to cover the PCB housing and wiring area. Step 6: Hanger and shackle assembly. Next, lower the top canopy. Now assemble the shackle kit securely. Once done, slide the top canopy upward to cover the assembly. Final check and power on. Before switching on, double check all screws and connections. Now turn on the power supply and enjoy smooth, efficient cooling. Raftaar BLDC fan, powerful performance with smart efficiency.